After collecting all your dandelions, as you can see, I collected in the greenhouse. Now you can make a beautiful infusion of dandelion oil. And this is my oil from 2021, and I will be using it up this year to make some very amazing products for my skin and hair. And as I continue to collect more dandelion, then I will infuse some more, and then I can have a new set for 2022. I am just sprinkling a lot of the seeds that I collected. I have extras because there's so much in that little bag there that I collected. I'm just sprinkling them all over the bed, and they're going to self-seed themselves. And then that's going to give me an opportunity to just kind of pluck them out and plant them anywhere that I want in the garden. So that's a good way just to get some extra plants, because these plants, they just self-seed themselves just like crazy. So that's a good way to do it if you want it to happen really fast instead of planting them inside a little cell. And dill really grows quickly when you do this, so that's another way you can get a lot of dill plants. Last year, I filled this bed with wood chips and some compost, and I grew peppers and tomatoes and okra in this bed, and they did really well. The okra didn't do so well in there because I guess it was too congested, but this bed is filled with very nice soil. So this year I think I will be planting carrots in there because I think carrots will do well, and the soil is very dark and rich. So I think I'm gonna plant one of my big carrots, one of my big variety of carrots in there, because I think it's gonna do well, and the bed is pretty deep, so the carrot can go down deep down into the soil. I am just using my spade to dig up this bed because there is a lot of roots left deep down into the soil from the tomatoes that was planted in there. So I want to get those roots out, and then I will drop them onto the floor of the greenhouse and they will decompose. And after, I will put them back on top of the bed as a kind of mulch, and that's been working really well for me. So that's what I'm doing there at the moment. So now the bed is completed and I'm going to put some of my compost on it and then it's ready to be planted. My onions look amazing, doesn't it, guys? They came back and they're just gorgeous. This bed, I did mostly all of it. I just left the end because I have some medicinal herb that I'm going to take out. My some of the onions in this bed has started to bolt. So I am going to chop the head off and of course I'm going to use them in my kitchen and then that'll give them a chance to just continue growing. This is a little sage plant that has come back. It's in its second year. These are my thyme. I'm so pleased with myself. They came back this year and they're looking so nice and bushy. I'm going to give them a haircut. And this is a lavender plant. This is a wildflower. And down here I have some flowers, but I'm not quite sure if they're my violets. So I got to check online to see if they're my violets. And I have some medicinal plants that I have to harvest in there. So I didn't clean up part of the bed as yet. Then I have my mullein plant and this is its stalk and it has lots of seeds in it. So I have to harvest the seed and I'm going to do that after. And here is a sneak peek of what the beds look like once they're nice and clean and all the weeds has been cleaned out of them. So it took me a while to do all this work, but the beds are looking pretty good and I think they can be planted very soon. These are some yellow tomatoes that I have put there to self-seed over the winter. And now spring is here. They have germinated really nicely. And once they come up a little bit bigger, I will just take them out and plant them. But guys, as you can see, my chickens has escaped and has been in here and they did a number on some of the tomatoes. On the greenhouse floor, I just drop all the weeds and stuff that I clean out of the beds. And I've been doing that for the past 2 years. I have this greenhouse. And then I'll be putting some wood chips and some wood shavings at the top. And this is a way that I make compost inside the greenhouse. And at the end of the season, I just rake that all up, put it on the bed. And then next spring, I just start all over again with that process. And I get some really, really nice compost coming out of the greenhouse floor. And here is a sneak peek of what all the finished beds look like. So in a couple of days, I will start planting. Once I have treated the bed, I usually treat the bed with soap and water to prevent slug infestation. And so now I will be collecting the seeds. I left these seeds to overwinter in the greenhouse. And these are some fluff ball marigolds that I'm collecting. They have big, big flower heads. And I'm going to be planting them outside in pots. And they're just going to be gorgeous. So guys, thanks for watching. Remember, you're beautiful. And I will see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.